Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or of course, welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing a complete overhaul of my closet. I'm going to be decluttering, organizing, doing all the good things, and I did this all super early in the morning. The sun wasn't even out yet, and it felt so good to get something productive done on my checklist before it was even light outside. And if you are like me and just love organizational content, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and make sure you're subscribed while you're watching today. I'm starting by pulling everything off of my dresser, and yes, I keep my dresser in the closet. There's just not enough room for it in the actual room with the desk and everything, and I just piled things on top of it. It became kind of a dumping ground, and I wanted to make sure that that wasn't going on anymore, so I decided to take everything off and wipe down the shelf and then declutter. There were some things by my dresser over here that I even forgot I had, like my spare computer. I totally forgot that I put it there because it's not my main one, and I decided to kind of rehome that. Not rehome by giving it to somebody else, but rehome by putting it somewhere else, if that makes sense. And I had some decor down there too that I wasn't sure if I was going to keep at that time, so I wanted to take it all out to look at it. And if this is your first time here and your first time seeing my face, my name is Bella and I am a mom to that cute little baby you see in the picture over there on the left side. And I love doing organizational content. I've been doing a lot of that lately, but I also love to do cleaning and decorating. I've been also doing a lot of decorating around here since it's the holidays, and if you missed that, I would really recommend that you go check out my Christmas Clean and Decorate because we just had so much fun there, and my daughter had a bunch of fun too. And if you love toddler antics, I know that you will love that, so I will leave that in the description box below. And make sure you stick around till the end of this video because I have a really satisfying transformation. I am so tired. So I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of a tour just to kind of get my bearings and figure out what's going on and also explain to you guys. So the stuff kind of right here and right there is some decor that isn't being used right now. I don't think that I'm gonna be keeping this. I've had this since like middle school and it's just been sitting empty in my closet since we moved, so I think I'm probably gonna donate that. Here are some books. I'm gonna have to go through these. That is my spare computer. All of my little California stickers. This is my bag of bags. I don't know if that's normal, but all in here are like tote bags and everything. That's our old bedding. It's been in videos before. It's my gray bedding. I still haven't donated it yet. That is my hamper. This is my Christmas stuff in here that I have to put away. I'm not going to be using it this year. And look at all of my blankets and pillows. I have to probably get rid of some of them. I don't know which ones I'm going to get rid of though. And if you were curious about my stuffed animal that I loved when I was little, I made this thing when I was like 9 years old and I just became so attached to it. Kennedy actually has a smaller version of this thing. And I love her. I'm never getting rid of her. Okay, I have to go through these now. Do I keep it? Do I not? I got this. I actually posted a video where I redid my desk space in the old house and I use these and I love them, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with them here. I got this thing from Target. I love it. Used to be on our old couch. Probably gonna keep it. You guys are gonna see a lot of sailing stuff because I sail and I absolutely love sailing. I haven't been in a while. I haven't been since I've had Kennedy, but I miss it so much. Here's my other one. I might use them for summer. I think I probably will use them for summer. And these are just like basic pillows and I'm gonna keep them around because they go with a lot of different decor. And then I have another blanket. I just have to figure out where I'm gonna put blankets. That's really my only problem because here's another decorative one. I have a bunch of clothes that I need to put away, so this isn't even all of it, but I kind of ended up here with the clothes that aren't my favorites. I don't know, do you guys do that too, where it's like you wear the same kind of few things over and over again and then you have a bunch of clothes that just go untouched? I'm sure it's not uncommon, but I am gonna go through this right now and figure out if there's anything I can clear because I do want to make a little bit more room. That's a tripod we have for our camera. These are actually our Christmas sweaters. You'll see them soon. That's my exercise bike. It just kind of lives in the closet because I don't like having it out. And here are Christmas totes at the bottom of my closet. I really hate having things at the bottom of my closet, but we're in an apartment right now and the space just doesn't allow for more storage in here, so this is where they're gonna have to stay for right now. And here are my weights. And then on this side of my closet I have my dresser. I decided to keep all of my pillows up on the top of my closet just because I feel like that's a good spot for them. They're out of the way and I can see them and I know which ones to grab when I need one. And I'm also going to put my bag of tote bags up there too because it's lightweight and it just fits there in the corner. Alright, time to do some of these drawers. Honestly, this is not even looking that bad, so I don't think I really need to touch this one. This needs to be refolded. It's my pajama drawer, just things need to be refolded. Don't really have a lot to do here. I love this drawer. This is where I keep our sheets and stuff, and I have some more sheets that I have to fold and put in. But other than that, okay, I know it's a little bit messy, but that's kind of how sheets are. On the topic of spare bed sheets, where do you guys like to keep yours? Because as I just mentioned, I've been kind of keeping them at the bottom of my dresser, but I'm thinking about switching them to the linen closet. But I don't know if I really want to do that because I keep a lot of cleaning products in there, so I don't know if that's the best place for them. But if I'm overthinking it, just let me know. Where do you keep yours? Okay, so here's some decor. I actually have to figure out what I want to keep and what I don't. This actually got damaged in the move, so I'm gonna just throw that away. It looks worse in person than it does on camera. I'm gonna keep this. This is me and my friend. I'm gonna keep that. I don't know, I just want to keep everything. It's all so cute. I think I'm gonna use this in Kennedy's nursery year round. So I'll put that in there later. She's still sleeping. This is stuff we're using for our wedding. So here's a sneak peek of that. But you'll see that later if you stick around. My OGs remember this. I just put it in the closet just like that. So I love this. I got this all from the Target dollar spot and it's very much featured in the last house. I love this sign too, but I'm not sure I'm gonna keep it. I'm definitely keeping this. Alright, time to sort this. I found my baptism certificate. I was baptized at 18 and I got a cute little picture and a certificate. Right now I'm just packing up all of my year-round decor, and this is stuff that isn't seasonally specific that I can just toss in when I need to redecorate a space or something, which we're about to do really soon because Christmas is coming to a close. We keep our Christmas decorations up until January 6th. When do you guys take your Christmas decorations down? I'm really curious. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music and so here's where my decor is going to live until after Christmas when I can do my year-round decor. Stay tuned for that. Guys, can you tell I want to go to Disneyland? That I miss Disney. It's coming, it's less than a year. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to actually do a vlog about that, because I gladly will, but I want to know that it's something you guys want to see. I figured I could fit my books into this cute little decorative basket. I thought about donating it, but I'm really glad that I didn't, and I kept it through the move because all of my books that I'm currently working through fit into this cute little basket. And I'm gonna pack up my spare computer and move it to my main desk.
around my neck, got chills down my back.
What am I gonna do with you? Where are we gonna put you? I want to put her somewhere special. She was like such a part of my childhood. Should I just give her to Kennedy? Oh no, that makes me sad. Don't mind me, I'm just having a moment over here with this. Try not to judge me too harshly. I've been to Europe twice with this Build-A-Bear, so I'm kind of attached, not gonna lie. Now I'm gonna go through all the clothes in my closet. Well, not all of them. I have a bunch of laundry that I need to fold and put away, but what's in here, and I'm gonna just kind of take out what I don't want anymore. I only ended up finding one shirt that I didn't want anymore, but the rest of them were okay, and I actually found some stuff that I forgot that I had. So hopefully I'll be able to make some cute outfits out of those this winter. And here is the before shot of the closet, and here is the after shot. I know that it isn't too much different, but it does feel a lot more organized to me, and I am glad that it is all taken care of now. Now moving on to the cleaning part of this video. Since I had just woken up, I hadn't made my bed yet, so I thought that I would just make it while the camera was still out, so that I could also give you a little bit of motivation. If you haven't made your bed this morning, I promise that it is so worth it, because then you can just walk into your room and everything feels like it's under control and nice and clean. And I got a question in my last video about where my bedding is from. Every bit of bedding besides the decorative blanket that goes on at the end is from the At Home store.
It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize.
And you heard me mention earlier about the mountain of laundry that I had to fold and put away. Well, here it is. I neglected it for a few days. I feel like that's been going on lately. My last few videos where I've done laundry, I've told you guys how I've kind of neglected the laundry. And I don't know why that is. I'm now starting to be better about jumping on the laundry faster. I did another load of laundry yesterday, so it ended up being less for me to fold, of course, because I didn't have to wash as much. I feel like I was super on top of the laundry in our last house, and thinking about it, I figure it's because the laundry area was on the other side of the house from Kennedy's room, and I used to do laundry a lot at night, and I still really like to wash laundry at night, but now the laundry area is right across from Kennedy's door in our hallway. So sometimes it'll wake her up. Sometimes she'll sleep right through it, and I'm really impressed, but sometimes she will wake up when the dryer is on, and it really leaves no good time to do laundry, because if she's napping, the dryer might be on, or if she's sleeping at night, the dryer might be on, or if I want to put some laundry in the morning, she might be sleeping then too. So it just kind of creates an unideal situation for doing laundry. But that is like my one complaint about this place. I have no other complaints. I absolutely love living here. I don't really miss the old house. I know that there were some good memories about Kennedy there, but as you know, I really just missed my family, and I'm just so much happier here, closer to them. So I guess a little bit more laundry on laundry days is worth it. And I wish that laundry folding actually went this quick, because I'm just blowing through it on this video. Definitely not like that in real life, but that is the power of YouTube magic. And I do want to take this quick opportunity to remind you that I do have another closet cleaning video on my channel if you need a little bit more motivation, and that was actually from when Matt and I shared a closet. And it was even smaller than the one that I have now. So if you have a very compact closet and you and somebody else share it, that video might be for you, and I will also have that one linked below. And if you love cleaning, decorating, organizing, all of the homemaking and motherhood videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications, because it helps small channels like mine grow, and it really is just a free way that you can support me and my family. And thank you so much if you do decide to do that. I will be back very soon with another homemaking video, and until then, bye beauties.
Time to grow this